Welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see the example round bracket open 5 minus 2 round bracket close power 2 multiply round bracket open 2 round bracket close power 2 divide by 2. So now how to solve? First of all, we simplify the first round bracket. So here inside the value of round bracket 5 minus 2 is 3. Now power 2 and this power 2 whole power 2 divided by 2. Now we simplify the exponent 3 3 the 9, here we write the 9. Multiply with 2 to the 4, we write here 4. Divide by 2. So now we first simplify the or we can say multiplication and division. So first we simplify the division, multiplication from left to right rule. Okay, so here also we write the division. 4 divided 2 is 2 and multiply with 9, so 18 answer. Okay, or we can say 9 multiply 4 is 36 and divide by 2 is also 18 answer. So if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. Thanks for watching.